Living in Miami Beach offers beautiful views, tropical weather, and a unique coastal lifestyle, but it also comes with a few challenges. From the sweltering summer heat to occasional hurricanes and the high humidity, maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home can feel like a constant battle. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency is by installing impact windows. Impact windows are specifically designed to protect your home from extreme weather, but their benefits go far beyond just security. These windows also play a crucial role in improving your home's energy efficiency. Here's how impact windows can make your Miami Beach residence more comfortable, reduce your energy bills, and help protect your investment. Superior insulation. The hot and humid climate in Miami Beach makes it essential to have windows that can help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Standard windows, especially older models, often allow heat to pass through, making it harder for your air conditioning system to keep your home cool. This results in higher energy bills, as your HVAC system needs to run longer and at higher power to compensate for temperature fluctuations. Impact windows are equipped with double or triple glazing, which provides superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. The layers of glass are separated by gas-filled spaces, such as argon or krypton, which act as thermal barriers, significantly reducing heat transfer. This means that less heat enters your home during the hot Miami Beach summers and less cool air escapes, allowing your air conditioning to work more efficiently. As a result, your energy consumption decreases, and your home stays more comfortable without putting undue stress on your HVAC system. Blocking UV rays to reduce cooling costs. Miami Beach's sunny climate is one of the biggest draws, but it also comes with a downside: the harmful effects of ultraviolet (UV) rays. Over time, UV rays can cause damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork, as well as increase the internal temperature of your home. Impact windows are designed with low emissivity glass coatings, which not only help block UV rays but also reflect heat away from your home. Low-E glass keeps your interiors cooler by reducing the amount of solar heat that penetrates through the windows. By blocking these harmful rays, impact windows help protect your belongings from fading while keeping your home cooler. This reduction in solar heat gain translates directly to lower cooling costs, as your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard to combat the heat from outside. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Air leaks around windows are one of the most common causes of energy loss in homes. Cracks, gaps, and poor insulation around windows allow hot or cold air to seep in, creating drafts and making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. Over time, these drafts can drive up your energy bills as your HVAC system has to work overtime to make up for the heat or cold lost through poorly sealed windows. Impact windows are designed with tight seals that prevent air leaks. These windows are constructed with high-quality materials and reinforced frames that ensure a secure, airtight fit. The improved sealing of impact windows helps to keep conditioned air inside and unwanted air from entering. This airtight protection plays a key role in reducing energy waste, making it easier and more efficient to keep your Miami Beach home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Protection from extreme weather reduces stress on HVAC systems. Miami Beach is known for its tropical storms and hurricanes, which can cause damage to windows, doors, and even the interior of homes. During such extreme weather events, windows can break or allow water and wind to infiltrate the home, leading to increased humidity, temperature swings, and damage to the interior. Impact windows are built to withstand the high winds and flying debris associated with hurricanes. In addition to their protective benefits, impact windows also help maintain the integrity of your home's internal climate during severe weather. By keeping the outside elements at bay, impact windows ensure that your HVAC system won't have to work harder to stabilize the temperature inside. This added protection from extreme weather conditions helps preserve your home's energy efficiency during storms, reducing the wear and tear on your cooling and heating systems. Noise reduction for a more comfortable living environment. Living near busy streets, coastal areas, or even in the heart of Miami Beach, where traffic and crowds are constant, can lead to unwanted noise intrusion into your home. For those seeking a peaceful, quiet living space, the soundproofing qualities of impact windows are an excellent benefit. In addition to improving thermal insulation, impact windows also provide soundproofing benefits by blocking out external noise. Their multi-layered glass and robust construction help reduce noise transmission from the outside, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. This is particularly valuable for residents who live near busy roads, airports, or tourist-heavy areas in Miami Beach. By reducing the noise levels inside, impact windows contribute to a more peaceful home without requiring additional energy usage for cooling. Long-term savings and return on investment. Although impact windows may come with a higher initial cost compared to standard windows, the long-term savings make them a wise investment. With their energy-efficient properties, impact windows help lower your utility bills by reducing the need for constant air conditioning and improving insulation. Additionally, the durability and resilience of impact windows mean you won't need to worry about frequent repairs or replacements, making them a long-lasting solution for your home. Moreover, the added benefits of security, noise reduction, and UV protection contribute to the overall comfort and value of your home. If you're considering selling your property, potential buyers will appreciate the added benefits of impact windows, making your home more attractive in a competitive market. Conclusion: impact windows are a game changer for Miami Beach residents who want to enhance their home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. With superior insulation, UV protection, air leak prevention, and the ability to withstand extreme weather, impact windows are an essential upgrade for any home in Miami Beach. By installing impact windows, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home, reduce your utility bills, and protect your home from the harsh elements, all while boosting your comfort and peace of mind. If you're looking to make a lasting investment in your home's energy efficiency, impact windows are the perfect solution.